right now in the whole season, this is super high harvest mode. So your priority is harvest.
The harvesting of green beans is just one of several subjects being taught during this 4-hour learning session here at the California Farm Academy.
It began in February with a crop of 20 beginning farmers, and they are now halfway through their 6-month training program. And what it is it's a short course in how to become a farmer, creating a farm plan, finding out about financing, dealing with irrigation, pest management, all the aspects that a farmer needs to deal with every day.
The California Farm Academy is the brainchild of Craig McNamara, founder of the Center for Land-Based Learning, located in the Northern California farm town of Winters. McNamara says there's a dire need for new farmers, and the time is now.
The question is, how are we going to do it? It's not going to be an experience like mine, where I went to South America, discovered my passion for agriculture, went to UC Davis to study plant and soil science, interned with a Chinese farmer for 3 years, borrowed $1 million to buy this land. We can't afford that today. We need farmers right away.
To get the academy going, biologist Jennifer Taylor was hired as director. Her previous experience in agriculture includes running a beginning farmers program in the Midwest for 10 years.
Our program is designed to have 3 main components. We have our classroom time where they get lectures on everything from integrated pest management to soils to production skills to marketing. And then we have about a third that are hands-on, so we're out here in our plot learning how to plant things and grow things and harvest them and how to scout for pests. We do that right here in our field. And then we go on farm visits, so another third of the class is spent going to farms all over the region, diverse kinds of crops, different kinds of farmers, and learning directly from people who do it best how to grow things.
This way I can double my yield, I can double my sunlight, I can get ventilation up and down the rows, which helps with mildews and stuff like that.
I love farming and agriculture and helping people move towards their dreams. We really need more farmers to populate our rural landscape and our rural schools and communities, and also to produce really healthy local food for everybody.
We hope to be able to, in a small way, take what Ophelia said, the feeling, the satisfaction of growing back into the urban communities. So we are in touch with several congregations and one high school, and we are proposing to create urban gardens.
Like green beans, you want them to taste nice and tender.
We've gone on so many farm tours. We've seen one farmer does the same thing a very different way from their neighbor. How they plant or till or whatever is very different, and they could be 2 miles apart. So I think that's been really helpful, just seeing the different ways in which people manage their farms, the different kind of visions behind how they work, and what drives their enterprises. And so it's been very inspiring as well as really educational.
We hope that by the end of 6 months, our students will have a firm grasp of the basics of farming. And upon graduation, then they'll go out onto this land and have an incubator farm, where we will provide them with a ½ acre of farmland at a very subsidized cost to them, where they can practice everything they've learned.
The opportunity we have through training people at California Farm Academy is for all kinds of scales and types of farming, and that you're really not limited if you want to go into farming to running a certain kind of farm or being a specific size, that we're really interested in people being sustainable and farming within the scope of their environment and being really aware about their resource use, but also that there's tremendous opportunity, all kinds of markets and things you can get into now. So no matter what people want to grow, we're here to help them do it.